If you've ever wanted to create visual effects such as this one, just stay put because I'm going to show you my top 10 visual effects inside of Higgsfield, how to use them, and what I find amazing of all of them. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. If you haven't checked out the previous videos about this software that we're going to be talking about today, that is Higgsfield, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it is. In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 10 Higgsfield visual effects. As you're seeing on screen right now, there are a bunch of different visual effects that you can use inside of the software. I'm going to be using an image and then transform it using the different visual effects. I'm going to be making a top 10 and you can comment down below which ones are your favorites. So I'm just gonna click on view all visual effects right here on the software. So for the first one, I'm going to be using this one, the Earth Zoom Out. I just click on generate. I can then select the image that I want to use. I'm going to be using an image that I created using the same software. This image that you're seeing right here, a cat riding a dragon. You can write a little short prompt such as they are seen from space, and then you can just click on generate, wait for a couple of seconds for the software to create the scene. So let's check out the first visual effect video. As you see, the software does an amazing job at creating a visual effects where the character is seen from space. Let's check out a different one. If we go back to the visual effect tool, let's say that we want to use this one, the air bending one. This is number 2. I'm going to be using the same image for all the visual effects so we can have a comparison. In this case, you need an end frame for the filter to work. I'm going to add a similar image from a different angle, and then you can just click on generate and wait for a couple of seconds for the software to create the scene. So this would be scene number 2 using a different visual effect. The transformation that the software creates are really cool. This is one of my most favorite ones. Let's go back once again to the visual effects tool. I'm going to show you the third one. For the third one, I'm going to be using the fast sprint, this one right here. Once again, in this one, you have to have a starting frame and an end frame. I'm going to be using the same ones. I'm just going to click on generate. So this would be the third one. That transition is really cool as well because it almost disintegrates into a new image. Let's go back to the visual effects. I'm going to show you the fourth favorite one. Is this one, the fire lava one. Let's just generate it. Let's check out the fire lava effect. That one is really cool because it leaves almost the impression that the smoke is coming out of the characters. Let's check out the fifth one. This one is really cool, the animalization one. Let's do it with the image once again. Let's check out the animalization one. As you see, what the software did right there is make the cat a bit more like the dragon. I find that really cool as well. Let's check out the sixth visual effects that I use the most and I like the most. That is the earth wave, this one right here. In some of the filters you need to have an end frame, in some of them you don't need an end frame. In this one you do. So let's check out the sixth visual effects. I find it really cool the way in which the dragon turns into dirt and then the dirt turns into the final image. Let's check out the seventh favorite visual effect. That is the melting transition, the one that you're seeing right here. In this one as well, you need a starting frame and an end frame. I'm just going to generate with the same image once again. So let's check out the seventh visual effect. It's just a melting transition from one image to the other. There's just 3 more effects to go. These are my favorite 3. My third favorite one is this one that is called transition. This is visual effect number 8, transition. my two last favorite ones are this one, the pizza fall, where you don't actually need an end frame. This is visual effect number 9, the pizza fall one. I find it really cool that the way that the dragon flies is affected by the way that the visual effect is applied. As you see, when the pizza falls, the dragon moves the way that it is flying. And my most favorite visual effects of all time inside of Higgsfield is the jump transition one, this one right here. In this one you do need an end frame. Let's pick a different one. Let's say that we want to use the metal dragon in a winter landscape as a final frame. I'm going to generate it, and then I'm going to show you the final visual effect that I use inside of Higgsfield. And finally, this is effect number 10 or number 1, as you want to see it. This is the one that I find the coolest, the jump transition. I find it really amazing how the software just seamlessly makes a transition between the first image and the last image. And that is pretty much how you use one of the coolest visual effects inside of Higgsfield. I want to read your comments down below to check out which ones do you use more or which ones do you like the most. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.